We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make breakfast quesadillas with melted cheese, green chilies, and herbs. These quesadillas are fast and simple to make. Let's start with the cheese. Choose something that melts nicely. I'm using a combination of Monterey Jack and cheddar, but use what you love. In addition to cheese, we need chopped green chilies. We use canned. You can buy mild or hot, so use whichever you prefer. We scramble our eggs for these quesadillas. We've already shared a video showing you the only way we scramble eggs so that they are light, soft, and creamy. You can watch the full video on Inspired Taste. When the eggs are cooked, we can make the quesadillas. To make them, lightly oil a wide skillet and then place a tortilla down into the pan. Add some cheese and spoon scrambled eggs over half of the tortilla. Scatter some green chilies and add a few cilantro sprigs. Fold the tortilla in half, press it down with your spatula, and then cook until the underside is toasted. Carefully flip and cook a minute or two more or until the second side is toasted and the cheese has melted. And that's it. Easy breakfast quesadillas filled with soft and creamy scrambled eggs, melted cheese, and green chilies. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.